I have a John Deere D140, I replaced the carb, fuel filter, air filter, now I have a hard time starting, no gas. Got it started with starter fluid but it surges from the start.
Hello and welcome to JustAnswer. My name is I have been a technician with John Deere dealerships for 18 years. Hopefully I can get you some answers on your D140. So I see that you have a new carburetor, fuel filter and air filter. Is that correct? Ok.have you tested the fuel pump to make sure it's pumping to the carburetor?
That is what I was thinking. I have ordered a new fuel pump and should have it by Friday.
You can confirm if yours is working by removing the fuel line that runs to the carburetor and turn the engine to see if fuel is shooting out. It should shoot out about 2 feet.
Let me check that. Give me a few.
No problem. Keep me updated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.